Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is report day, September 12th. That is going to be the primary focus as far as the grains this morning. Going through some of the expectations as far as corn. The average trade guess as far as production, 13.62. Last month we were at 13.763, so looking for a reduction there. As far as corn, with an average yield, 153.7 is the average trade guess, so 153.7, and that's down from a 154.4 last month. And then on beans, guys are going to be watching this very closely. We're looking at production in beans about 3.14 billion. That's down from 3.255. So looking for a reduction there. Yield, we're looking for a decline in yield as well. In the last report, we were at 42.6. Looking for the yield right now. The average trade guess is at a 41.2. So looking for that to tighten up as well. Ending stock numbers, as far as old crop, these will be the last numbers that we're going to see. We'll actually see if there's any changes here at the end of September, the quarterly stocks as well. But as far as corn, 718 million, and then on beans, 123 is the guess there as far as old crop. New crop though, 1.73 billion for corn is the estimate, and then for beans down to a 165. So those are your average guesses here going into this report here today. We did have some export sales today to affect some things, but as I mentioned, that's going to be all about the report. But sales were a little bit weak this morning. 400,000 to 500,000 is what they expected for corn. We got 332, so lower than expectation. As far as beans, 650 to 800, we got 478. There too, weaker than what we had expected. But wheat, we expected to see 450,000 to 650,000. We got 543.9. So within expectations there as far as wheat. Right now, we've got corn down about 3 cents. Beans are down about 4, with the wheat market right about unchanged this morning. Some of the other factors, the weather, we're still watching that. We've seen some rain over the last 24 hours in certain areas. But guys are watching the storm that's building here for Monday, they're saying. Should start in the west here on Monday, expand across the Corn Belt. They're talking about 45% coverage across the Midwest right now. We'll see if these rains do materialize. The question is it too late for corn? Where are we at with these beans? Will it help? But we're getting into this time frame. It's been so dry lately, we may have to make some adjustments to that. Looking at open interest yesterday, going into this report, open interest for corn dropped about 8,000 yesterday and dropped about 5,000 as far as the beans. So guys just getting out of positions, getting out of the way of this report yesterday. I do want to mention that the September contracts go off the board tomorrow. So those will expire. They'll be gone here tomorrow. So if you are in those contracts, make sure you get that you'd make those adjustments here today as far as moving those out if you're not looking for deliveries there. Basis levels dropped yesterday at the Gulf, about 20 cents for beans, but slightly higher, I guess, for corn. So we'll see what they do again here today, but we have seen basis for both corn and beans drop back pretty hard here over the last couple weeks. As far as the outside markets today, any other influences still reacting? We're seeing some of these other markets still reacting to the Syrian tensions kind of easing. The metals are sharply lower this morning. Gold down 29 bucks, silver down 70 cents. So they're breaking back very hard here as far as metals. Stock futures right now very quiet, a lot of back and forth trade. But crude oil still holding firm around that 108 area yet. So the main focus today is going to be this report. Please give us a call if you guys have any questions at all. You need us to go through anything with you. Feel free to reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.